What's up, FHS? I'm Gabe.
And I'm Anna. Welcome back to this week's episode of the Saber Roar. Today we'll take a look at Franklin's creative art display, discover what happens behind the blood drive, and recap the March Madness assembly.
Art students from kindergarten to high school worked hard on their projects throughout this year. Selected outstanding pieces were chosen by art teachers to be put on display. Each piece was celebrated by families and friends at the FHS Art Display.
On Thursday, February 23rd, the Franklin community gathered at the high school to see the work of the district's best artists in an art show hosted by the district's art teachers, featuring the work of kindergarten through 12th grade students.
You can take any art class. Any class that we offer is up there for our art gallery night.
The art classes at FHS form a tight community of like-minded students collaborating to create art pieces they and others can enjoy.
In any class you take, you're going to be a close community and everyone can always help each other out.
It allows you to be creative in ways you never thought of before.
The creativity of the students tests art teachers with an interesting challenge, leaving it up to them to select the students to be featured in the art gallery.
When we are looking at art, we try to find pieces that students either surprise themselves with and surprise us as well, or those pieces where you see the transformation or the growth of an artist and you can't help but want to recognize them for all of their effort they've put into their piece.
In case you didn't catch the art at the event, you can still see it in the library, on the TV display in the main commons, and in the art hallway.
Approximately 29,000 units of red blood cells are needed every day in the U.S. alone. This blood is needed for those who have suffered a serious injury, for those who need surgery, and victims of major blood loss. Having blood available can mean the difference between life and death.
Currently, the U.S. is in its first ever national blood crisis as a consequence to an alarming shortage in blood donations. On account of this blood shortage, the Student Senate partnered with the Red Cross to host a blood drive.
It's really important because people need blood when they get surgery, when they're in an accident, and it's a really easy way to give to the community. And a lot of times, high school is the first time that people will donate blood, so it's a great opportunity to get lifelong blood donors.
Almost any student can participate.
You have to be 16 years old to donate blood. So if you have parent consent and you're 16, you can donate. 17-year-olds, 18-year-olds, obviously older than that, are allowed to participate in the blood drive.
Donating blood is rather simple.
It's super easy and it only takes like 20 minutes. And I mean, it helps people out, so might as well.
Some students took it a step further and volunteered.
As part of our role, we just make sure to hand out like food and drinks to people after or during their donating blood, and then make sure that they're feeling okay.
Not only did students give blood, but teachers as well.
I've donated every single time they've had it here since I've started teaching here. Originally, I started donating blood because I wanted to get over a fear of needles, and now I just do it to help out.
Though this blood drive is over, there are still many opportunities to give.
If you're interested in like donating this summer, you can look at the American Red Cross website, and then you'll be able to see where the local blood drives are, and you can help save lives.
Thank you to all the people that helped out today by volunteering or donating blood.
FHS donated a total of 60 pints of blood on March 6th. Great job, Sabres. Thank you to all that donated.
Last Friday, we celebrated March Madness with our assembly. Let's recap all the fun and all the madness.
Dirt. Say it again, man, and that's a reverse. Never rehearse. Jump in the verse. Call up the nurse, put the beat in the hearse. This is absurd. Save to preserve. Don't get on the tracks, man, and they better swerve. Don't got a nerve, man, I never curse. Just casting these spells when I'm spelling these words. That's real. That's too real. I've been Roosevelt, I need a new deal. Trying to figure out what I should do still. Really never waited here too still. I don't even know what I should say at all. Should I jump on in? Should I get involved? God surround me, they love to talk. I take it all with a grain of salt. This work that I'm doing, they never see through it. And all of this rap that I see that they ruin. I came in the game and I'm trying to undo it. And still they all say they don't know if to shoot it. I gotta see through it, man, won't be deluded with all these illusions. I know it's disputed. I gotta keep going. They see what my root is. I tell you I run this, I'm done with excuses. Give me for a minute, trying to get what I've been giving out.
Congratulations to all the winners. Thank you, Mr. Gain, for all that you do to bring March Madness to life at FHS. Let's give March Madness 2023 one last woo. Whoa! Now that's all the time we have for today. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Twitter at the Saber Roar to stay up to date with all things Saber Roar.
We'll see you next week, Sabers.
That was good. All right.